Imagine yourself in a lavish coastal cottage. I already do. Reminiscent of biting into fresh fruits during summer afternoons. Doesn't that just sound amazing? Hi guys, it's Alex. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I'm so glad to have you here. Today I really wanted to do a review of the Sentier set. I received this to do UGC work with, and I thought that it was such a cool concept that I wanted to do a full YouTube video of it. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and let's get on into the video. This is what the set looks like, and it comes with 6 different little sample sets. I think that this packaging is so cool. It can just sit on your vanity as a little perfume set when you choose your scent of the day depending on how you're feeling. And I just love each of these little samples. They are so beautiful, but I will go in and show you the individual packaging. But let me first tell you, it has this little note on the back, and it says, choose your scent, choose your story. This is a versatile and multi-dimensional section of gender fluid and alcohol-free scents crafted to embrace your story. This is Sentier's perfume wardrobe, and it features 6 unique scents that are tailored to enhance your mood, embrace your uniqueness, and bring your vision into reality. Now, doesn't that sound interesting? This is really good if you are an indecisive person, and also it's really hard to choose your fragrances when you're shopping online because you might not know what certain notes you actually like. I think for me, I like a floral perfume, but I've also liked ones that have sweet notes. I like fruits sometimes. I've seen a lot of pink pepper, grapefruit, citrus kind of fruits in, which I wouldn't think I would like if I was just reading the notes. So I think this is a really cool way to try it out. This video is not sponsored. It has nothing to do with Sentier. I was just sent this to do a separate video with them, but I thought this was really cool, so I wanted to show it to you guys. Now let's get into it. We are going to try this one first, and guys, just look at this packaging. Is this not the most beautiful thing ever? It has this little watercolor floral design, and each of them have their own designs depending on the perfume. And then you just open it like this, and you have the little sample inside, and they also give a description of the fragrance, which is so cool. This really just adds to the luxurious feel of the Sentier brand. It's quite a long description, so I'll just read the first few sentences so you can get an idea of what each fragrance smells like. Imagine yourself in a lavish coastal cottage. I already do. Surrounded by opulence, tranquility, draped in pearls and silk. This, from the first sentence, already sounds like it's going to be my favorite. Okay, I'll just read the whole thing because I love this one. As you look through the window, the sun's golden rays glimmer on serene waters. A gentle breeze carries the enchanting scent of apple flowers, filling the air with delicate sweetness. As you inhale deeply, jasmine and gardenia take center stage. Jasmine is one of my favorite scents, so I know I'm going to love this now. Their aromas blending effortlessly with the salty tang of sea air. The scent develops into a comforting embrace of patchouli, also love, adding depth and complexity, while a hint of sugar adds subtle sweetness that lingers on the skin. This all sounds so beautiful, and I love that you get the description, and it's not just giving you the notes, it's like a story of what this perfume is imagined to be like and what the wearer should feel like. Let's get into it and open this up. You just slide it out like this. And this is the little sample. It's so cute. It's got the Sentier symbol on there. I didn't even tell you the name of this. This is Noir Riviera. Noir Riviera. That just sounds so wrong coming out of my mouth. Just going to spray this on the paper. This is so good. This actually feels like it is transporting me to the lavish coastal cottage. You can definitely smell the jasmine, and it feels like the salty tang of the sea air as well. This is so good, and I've never smelled anything like it. I feel like it's such a unique fragrance. It definitely gives a luxurious scent. I would say it's got a very unique profile. It's definitely a luxurious scent, which is my favorite. This is like almost exactly me in a perfume, and I've smelled a lot of perfumes and none of them compare to this. It's so unique. So if you love not having something mainstream and smelling like everyone else, I think this brand is the way to go. Let's get into our next one. Let's go for Fernway. The perfume's flown out because I've already opened this before, so I didn't put it back in correctly. This is the scent Fernway, and again with the beautiful packaging. Let's open it up. We have another description. Embark on a sensory voyage with Fernway, a fragrance that evokes a sense of wanderlust and evocative tranquility. That sounds very interesting. The vibrant top notes of orange and bergamot transport you to the sun-drenched cliffs, terrace vineyards, and colorful villages of Sentier. Am I saying that right? As the fragrance unfolds, it carries you to the heart of bustling souks of Marrakesh, where the air of quaint spice shops is woven with scents of incense, amber, and tonka bean. So this seems like it's going to be a musky, woody kind of fragrance, which is not my personal thing, but I know a lot of people love it, and that's the whole point of this set, is that you get something for everyone in here. This is surprising that I like the smell of this, because like I said, I don't really enjoy earthy kind of musky fragrances, but this has a little hint of sweetness to it, and it's a very complex kind of smell. I'm finding it very difficult to place the smell and kind of give you a description of what it is. It smells a little sweet and woody, not too musky because I don't like a musk scent, so that's not strong to me at least. And when I smell it in here, it smells really good. I'm sorry if this is not helpful at all, but this is quite hard to describe, but I think a lot of people would like this. Moving on, we have Lost Summer. This packaging is so cute. It just has these little pictures. This is definitely giving summer vibes. We open her up. This is the description inside. You can pause it if you want to give it a little read. And I think also to mention, it says that this is alcohol free, so if that's important to you in a fragrance, then this is a good way to go. Lost Summer. Capture the essence of lost summers, an evocative blend that creates enchanting memories, reminiscent of tranquil reflections and idyllic moments. Let's get into the notes of this. It says, at its heart, Lost Summers intertwines the vibrant notes of bergamot. That's another one of my favorites. It's been in, I think, the past 2 ones, so that's probably why I like them. Nectarine and black currant, reminiscent of biting into fresh fruits during summer afternoons. Doesn't that just sound amazing? The sun is out in England right now, and it feels so hot sitting here filming in front of the sun, and I love it because my lighting is finally good, I hope. It's looking good right now. You guys can tell me if it's not, but today it's good. As the fragrance unfolds, a delicate bouquet of neroli, love that, jasmine, Damascus rose, lily of the valley, and freesia emerges, reminding you of leisurely afternoons spent chasing butterflies and uncovering hidden treasures. This sounds like this is also going to be one of my ideal perfumes. I love the white florals and pretty much all the florals, and it seems like they're all in here. Has the fruity and floral notes combined, so let's give this a smell. Immediately you get hit with a fresh flower scent, kind of rose. I'd say this is very floral, so if you don't enjoy a floral or white floral, this probably won't be for you, but it's definitely for me. Oh, it's so good. It also has a warm note to it, like it says it has bourbon, vanilla and sandalwood to infuse the scent with warmth. This is definitely a very sweet floral fragrance and I think it smells so good. And again, the description is just on point. Whoever is writing this, it's so good. This is definitely a great summer fragrance if you love a floral. We have 3 left now. Which one should I choose? Let's go for this one. This is Chronicles of Self. The thing just fell out. Again, that is my fault. It's not Sentier. I had already unboxed these, so that's why they're falling out. Again, this packaging is beautiful. Let's open her up. This is what she looks like. Experience Chronicles of Self, a graceful and sophisticated blend that echoes the journey of self-discovery and personal evolution. Top notes of this are supposed to be pear and anise, symbolize the excitement of a new journey. As the fragrance unfolds, delicate peony and lily symbolize the beauty that emerges from adversity. Cyclamen and orange flowers add depth, infusing the narrative with optimism. Let's give this a spray. Oh, this one I think is definitely musky. Definitely not my thing. I also feel like I'm smelling licorice a little bit, or maybe that's just the musk and I hate licorice. But the longer it sits on here, you can smell kind of the depth in it. The musk goes away and you can smell the florals of the peony and lily. I think that's nice in the base notes. But this is definitely not my favorite, but I don't like a lot of popular perfumes, so I think a lot of people would like this, and it's definitely a unique scent, so I think this is great. And it has a little bit of sweetness with the musk. If you like a woody musky fragrance with a little hint of florals, then this is for you. Next we have this, and I feel like I'm definitely going to be saying the name wrong. This is Mirabelle, but this, I think, besides the first one that we tried, is my favorite packaging. Just look how beautiful this is. It looks so luxurious. I love it. I think I'm going to have to read this description because it is so good. A tribute to the enchanting snow-capped mountain villages nestled in Switzerland, where the holiday spirit dances in the crisp alpine air. Sounds so good. Every spritz is a soft winter's kiss, where snowflakes gently grace your eyelashes and the chilly breeze whispers secrets of the village. How beautiful is that? Indulge in the serene embrace of Mirabelle. This sophisticated fragrance creates an elegant and enduring impression that gracefully transitions from day to evening. Let's give it a spray so we can talk about the notes. I'm getting a hint of vanilla essence when I spray this. That's kind of what I'm smelling. It says top notes of heliotrope reminiscent of soft snowflakes falling from a silver sky, gently settling on white flowers, and jasmine mirroring frost-kissed petals. As the fragrance evolves, hot notes of patchouli and amber create layers of intricate depth. There we go, base notes of vanilla entwined with sandalwood and musk. Okay, it definitely is a vanilla, which I haven't had a vanilla fragrance before, so this is nice. I really like vanilla. This is definitely one of my top fragrances because I love the vanilla and the jasmine, of course. It's like a sophisticated vanilla. It's not sickly sweet at all. It is a very soft kind of hint of vanilla. And our last sample in the Sentier set is Notes of Reverie. Again, saying that wrong, but we move on. This smells really good. Picture yourself in a garden as the birds sing, inviting you to explore the fresh fruit and flowers, tracing the earth beneath your bare feet, gently brushing away the leaves that veil the sky. With each breath, reality blurs into dreams. Lost in thought, you become mesmerized by the magic of the moment. The crispness of the aquatic and green notes mirror the freshness of the grass beneath your feet, while the tangy zest of lemon and pineapple adds newness into the air. I also love an aquatic fragrance, so this is so exciting. I thought that I would have the set and maybe like one perfume, because I'm really picky when it comes to perfumes and the kind of scents that I like, but I've actually liked most of them. I think there's just the one that I don't really like, but it's still so good. So this is impressive. Let's spray our final perfume. Immediately I'm getting pineapple, and pineapple's not my favorite kind of fruit. I don't like many fruits, but this definitely gives fresh kind of grass, lemon, pineapple scent. And as it dries down, you get to that aquatic kind of lemon scent, which is so good. It says, as you inhale deeper, the air fills with a rich tapestry of flowers. Peony, iris, lily of the valley, and rose swirling together in harmony, which is just my perfect combo. I love the florals. How many times have I said I love florals in this video? Does someone want to comment that? The dry down of this is so good. Like I said, when I sprayed it initially, I was just smelling pineapple, so I was a bit But the dry down, you get the flowers and the freshness of the aquatic scent, and they all blend together so beautifully. These scents are just so unique. Like I said, I've never smelled anything like either of these, and the descriptions are so apt to what the perfume is. So I think this is so good, and I love the discovery set because you get to try out a little bit of each of them, because you might like one of these more than you expect based on the description, because you might actually think you love the description of one and then smell one like this and think, no, actually this is my signature scent. And that's actually perfect. I think these would be perfect to create signature scents for people if you are looking for something like that. It is definitely cheaper than a luxury perfume, but it's not a dupe company. It's not meant to be super affordable. It's definitely worth it because you can smell how complex and how much work has gone into creating these fragrances, that the way the fragrance blends, it doesn't smell like one of those cheap perfumes. It's actually really good. I think if you are indecisive or you just want to try out a few perfumes before you buy them, that this is an amazing option, and you will definitely find something you love in the set because they are all so good. I absolutely love these scents, and the concept of this perfume wardrobe I think is so good. And now I have a whole bunch of handy little samples to take around with me. And comment down below and tell me which perfume you would think you'd like based off the description. So that was it for reviewing the Sentier perfume wardrobe set. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you have any video requests, please leave them down below for me. If you haven't subscribed, please do me a favor and do so, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.